Hey, what's up everyone, this is Invest for More and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna do a technical analysis on Casper Labs. Today is it's Saturday, guys. As you can see here, we have a resistance there, a support. If we draw like this, yeah, this is support. Let me clone this channel. This was the channel. I think it's right here. Okay, right here, it's the channel up, down, up. You see the resistance there, we see the resistance here. Once we break the resistance, we have to test again and take it as support, and if we take a support, then it's gonna go up. Okay, but you can see here we have a head and shoulders pattern. Look at here, we have a shoulder, head and shoulder. Okay, so look at this line. This is the head and shoulder, as you can see over here, and we have this line as a support right now. It was a resistance multiple times. It was one time, oh, let me draw, one time here, twice, third time, fourth time, and we break over here. We break over, and now we test it again and we take it as support, and now we can see the head and shoulders on 4-hour time frame. My target for this trade is gonna be like this here, from here to here. Okay, and it's gonna be about 0.15156, somewhere there. And as you can see over here, we have a support line at this target. No, the support, resistance line. As you can see over here, couple times we hit right here, a pretty bounce back right there, and here we're gonna see lower highs right here and higher highs. Okay, that's my target for now. I think I'm gonna sell some of my Casper coins right there, but not all of them. Most of them I'm staking. If you didn't see my video how to stake Casper, I do recommend you to go on this on my channel and check this this video. Right here is the video. Also, if you want to see more videos about Casper, when in my opinion Casper can hit $1 and how fast can do it, you can see this video. Also about their blockchain, it's right here. The video is right here, and at this moment for me the price right now it's 0.1206, which is nothing in compared to other blockchains like Ethereum, Elrond, Cardano, what else, Matic, what else, Solana. So these Casper Labs can be huge. It was founded by Vlad Zamfir from Ethereum in collaboration with CEO of Ethereum, Vitalik. But guys, what I recommend for you to do is to buy some Casper and a bag to be for long term, and do go and stake them like I do. 80,000 Casper Labs coins, I'm staking them, and some of them I keep in Ascendex account. If you don't have an Ascendex account, you can create one. I have the link in the description. You can use my affiliate link, and I'm trading with this 36,000 Casper. I'm gonna trade them, and I'm looking to accumulate as much as I can, guys, and put for stake, because right now staking it's about 12% APY, 12%, which as you can see over here, I started let me show you. I started 15 days ago with 63,000 Casper, and then I staked more, about 9,000 Casper more, 8,000 Casper more, 16,000 Casper more, and now I have 80,000 Casper staked. I'm earning about 2 Casper every 2 hours, about 26 Casper a day, which at this price is not a big deal, but for long term it can reach $1 easily $1 for long term. But I'm looking to reach about $5 in about 2-3 years for Casper Coin. Okay, so two Casper Labs, two Casper Coins every 2 hours at $5. Trust me, it's gonna be a pretty good return. I'm looking to accumulate as much as I can because I know the fundamentals of this project. I know they were built from Ethereum Foundation, you know, and they have strong partnerships and a huge team that's working behind them. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna answer everyone, and let me know in the comments below what's your average price, because mine it's about 0.09. I bought Casper Coin multiple times. I got in 0.05, 0.13 multiple times, but average it's about 0.09. Let me know in the comments what's your average price, guys. And also shout out to you who invest in Casper and who's looking for a huge return. I think in this year is gonna be 10x return. In my opinion, it's not hard to reach that 10x return because I talked in this video. In this video how easy it can be to reach $1, which is 10x from now. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the Telegram groups where we are discussing about Casper price, Casper future, and we have a pretty good community, pretty helpful community, strong community, and I'll see you guys over there. Bye.